Jamaicans absolutely love the letter E. One letter, so many different meanings. Example 1. E? As in, what you just say? What did you just say? E. Watch yourself. E. I know already. E. Okay, I understand, I see. E. As in, what you really say? E. E. Absolutely not. E? What did you just say? No. Shock. Can't believe